Welcome, pre-algebra, to another episode of Mr. Chow Time. Today, we're going to be doing a real quick and short lesson on words, equations, tables, and graphs on page 37 if you'd like to follow along. Okay, so remember that time when we looked at rules and expressions, and we looked at patterns, and we looked at how expressions can be written to represent a pattern. So for example, we always go back to this. You get into a taxi, it's $85, and then you add $15 for every kilometer, right? So this is an expression that represents a taxi ride. Well, this expression only has a domain, right? Because it only has the number of kilometers. We don't have a total cost. So if we add an equal sign and a C, now we have a range. This is our total cost. And this is how we connect the ideas of a rule with domain and range. We write an equation. That's a math sentence now. That doesn't just have the representation of what's happening, but it equals some other idea. And so an equation is a mathematical sentence stating that two quantities are equal, in this case, the left and right side of the equal sign. Let's take a look at an example. Mr. Chow's YouTube channel, Mr. Chow Time, gets 3 new subscribers every day. You're going to write an equation to find the number of new subscribers. Then you're going to make a table to find the number of new subscribers after 3, 6, and 9 days. And actually, now that I look at this graph, I realize that we don't have space to go to 3, 6, and 9 days because our x goes to 15, but our y only goes to 10. You'll see in a second if you don't realize what I'm saying. So let's just change the problem a little bit. We're going to say, instead of 3, 6, and 9 days, we're just going to do 1, 2, and 3 days. Okay. So, let me change my color. Mr. Chow's channel gets 3 subscribers every day, right? So every single day we're going to add 3 subscribers. That's what this is saying. 3 new subscribers every day, right? 3 subscribers per day. Oh. So how do we write that? Well, if we're going to add 3 and add 3 and add 3 every day, this, we can obviously just keep adding. But remember that multiplication is adding the same number over and over again, right? Over and over. So if we did 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, instead of writing this, we can just write 3 times 6. So knowing that, we should be able to write an equation for this idea. If x equals the number of days and y equals the number of subs, then every single day we're going to add 3 to get to subs, right? To get to subs, we're going to add 3 every day. And adding 3 every day is the same thing as multiplying. So we're going to add 3 every single day to get the number of subs. And this is our equation. So now we're going to make a table. We can make the table for 3, 6, and 9 just so we can see what it looks like. So we can do 1, 2, and 3 because we need to graph those. But then we can do 6 and 9 also. So if x equals 1, 2, 3, 6, and 9, then what will y equal? Well, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 6 times 3 is 18, and 9 times 3 is 27. So if we were going to graph, if we could go up higher than 11 here, then we would be able to graph these, but the graph is not big enough. So after 1 day, our ordered pair is 1, 3. After 2 days, our ordered pair is 2, 6. And after 3 days, our ordered pair is 3, 9. And that is our graph. And that's it. This is what you'll be practicing in today's assignment. Thanks. Have a good one.